Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We have a new video today. We're gonna go ahead and install Final Cut Pro. We're gonna go ahead and click on that launch pad. We're gonna go ahead and click on the App Store on the left. It might be anywhere on your computer depending if you have other applications, all this stuff. So make sure to look for the little App Store icon. So we're gonna go ahead and type in the search, type in Final Cut Pro and hit enter, and you will see Final Cut on the right side. If you're previously installed Final Cut Pro, you will have a little cloud with a little arrow pointing downwards, to mean indicating that you've already downloaded this before and you've installed it. If you have the word get, it's not installed on your computer. So for this tutorial, I've installed this before, so we're gonna go ahead and click on download. And now it's gonna take some time, so we're gonna go ahead and pause this video and we're going to continue back when it completes. Okay guys, the installation has completed. So let's go ahead and click on open. Okay, now it has opened up. It tells you right here what's new in Final Cut. You can read that. If not, you don't really need to. You just hit continue. Voila, you're ready to go. Ready to go to use Final Cut. So if you want to explore more of these features on Final Cut, because that's what we use to edit, if you want to know more about it, feel free to comment down below and let me know if you want me to cover a little bit more into Final Cut, and I'll cover Final Cut for you guys to what I know. And if you like anything else, any comments, questions, or any videos you want me to make, or anything else, feel free to comment down below and I'll be glad to assist you with that. And make sure to turn on post notifications so you won't miss any more of the videos if you like this type of content. And also make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So peace out.